Another beautiful Monday morning. Monday morning to get subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, get monetized, start making money on your YouTube channel. First, if you're among the categories of people that want to grow legitly, organically, please, this video is not for you. You understand? If you are in the category of people that I want to take my channel to the next level, that is when this video is for you. Now, it is important you watch this video from beginning to the end so that you don't have or make the same mistake that a lot of people are making. Now, the first thing I will say is, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes, and I'm back again with another mind blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are cute. If it's the first time seeing it, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment. Lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with that being said, let's dive right into this video. Now, in this journey of getting 1,000 subscribers, three things you must not leave out in your channel. Three things you must not leave out in your channel. One of the things is uploading long videos. The second thing is uploading short videos. The third thing is if your channel is over 50 subscribers or you have up to 50 subscribers, start going live. Now let's add the fourth thing, which is any of this video you upload, be it short, long, or live stream, trying as much as possible to share it to your community. And I've done a video on how to share it to your community before. If you don't know how to, in all your videos that you have these three dots. That three dots, if you click on it, you will see share. Now, once you see share, you will now see what? Create a post. If you click on create post and then you write any title pertaining that video, you share it. Basically, you have shared. You understand? Now, let's move to the direct way on how we can get this 1,000 subscribers. A lot of people reached out to me on my live stream and they were like, oh, Vibe Sonia, I'm grateful. All my subscribers stayed. Like, I have been getting more subscribers. And a lot also reached out to me telling me that I went to bed with 500 subscribers and waking up in the next morning I'm seeing 200 subscribers. I went to bed with 100 subscribers, waking up I'm seeing 50 subscribers. I went to bed with 30, waking up I'm seeing 10 subscribers. You understand? Now, why are these people having all of this backward? It's because they don't listen to instruction. Because the first instruction I'll always give you is, if you get anybody from the comment section and then you want to switch, like you want to sub for the person, the first thing you are advised to do is to watch this particular video first from beginning to the end. If you have not subscribed to this channel, you subscribe, you like, you comment, you turn on notification bell. Now, when you go to those people's channel, what are the first thing you're supposed to do as well? You watch their videos. When you watch their videos, you comment on their videos. When you comment on their videos, you turn on notification bell and then you subscribe as well to their channel. Now, this is the mistake a lot of people are making. A lot of people will go and say, oh, I'm coming from Vibe Sonia. You're coming from Vibe Sonia to do what? You understand? I'm coming from Vibe Sonia. Oh, sub to sub. Oh, support. Oh, I just support you. You to come and support me. If you continue to do, oh, support, I'm coming for Vibe Sonia, YouTube will definitely take them down. YouTube will call them inactive subscribers. That is it. So you need to drop a comment relating to that particular video you are watching. It is not a bad thing for you to grow using the comment section, but it's a bad thing whereby you are not even dropping a comment relating to that particular video. Now, someone that's where they sound, where they well. We know that if I'm seeing any comments where they unusual, yes, so now from this lady place, now they come from, and they will take out their time to check. You understand what I'm trying to say? And another thing again I want to tell you is, you do not need to limit this to only Vibe with Sonia's comment section. So don't always wait for Vibe with Sonia and say, oh, when Vibe with Sonia upload video, I will come and do it. When Vibe with Sonia no, it's not supposed to be for only Vibe with Sonia. If you keep coming to Vibe with Sonia every time, you to check them now, the algorithm itself no go pick them. It will pick it now. You have other content creators that are also doing well. You have other big content creators that you can also love their video, comment on their video, and then get to grow from their comment sections as well. So it mustn't be limited. We are not the only one talking about this. You understand? In fact, there is this white guy, I don't want to mention his name as well, but that's what he always and how he always help his subscribers. And before you know, a lot of them are coming back with testimony. So I also want you to come back with testimony. A lot of people are gaining massively, getting 1,000 subscribers. You too, you should not be left behind. The other one that I said you should go and join Telegram, I will do a detailed video. By the grace of God, that video will go up tomorrow. So that at the end or before the end of this year, at least you should be thinking of getting monetized. Now, if you already have your 1,000 subscribers, please, you do not need to do this. The only thing that you need to do that you owe yourself right now is to now be very serious with your live stream and your long form upload. No longer your short, your live stream and your long form upload. Why? So that you can get your 4,000 watch hour and get monetized on this YouTube streets. Now, if you are among the category that you are already monetized on this YouTube streets, the only thing that you are supposed to be doing now is not to be looking for 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, or looking for more subscribers to accumulate more subscribers from your channel. What you are supposed to do is what? You are supposed to keep uploading content, looking out for content that has value so that you can be able to retain your subscribers and then grow your subscribers from people that personally love your content. You understand? I keep saying this. When I got my own 1,000 subscriber, the first thing that the person that was heading us then told us was, do not get subscribers again. You understand? Focus on watch hour. Immediately I got my watch hour. He said, now focus on your content. And today, is it not profiting me? It's profiting me, and definitely it can also profit you. On that way, you can also be getting these subscribers. Don't limit yourself only to this comment section thing, because a lot of people have limited themselves to this comment section thing. You can get 1,000 subscribers again from collaborating. Look out for new YouTubers like you that have the same kind of subscriber. Collaborate with each other. You understand? Reach out to them on their mail. Tell them that, oh, I'm also creating content with 200 and something subscribers, with 300 and something subscribers. Can we collaborate? There is no way they're not going to say that, oh, even if 5 people reject you, 1 person must accept you. Now, once you reach out for them, and then they accept for you and them to collaborate, what are you supposed to do? You look out for video ideas that can suit your channel and can also suit their channel. And if you're looking out for these same people that you want to collaborate with, please do not collaborate with someone that is on a different niche or a different niche entirely. Just imagine me now as someone that is creating how people can actually grow on YouTube. Now collaborating with someone that is doing a fashion content. My subscribers will not be interested in our content, so they will not even subscribe. And her subscribers will not even be interested in my content. They will not even subscribe because they came for fashion. They did not come for, they want to grow on YouTube. They came for how they can be able to cut and sew. So if you are following this method and you're looking for the right niche for yourself, at the end of the day, you are definitely going to be successful. Now, once you're collaborating, because you people are doing the same kind of content, those person subscribers will come to your channel and subscribe, and your own subscribers as well will go to their channel and subscribe. If you don't know how to do a legit collaboration, let me know in the comment section. Do a video on how you can collaborate on YouTube with your fellow YouTubers without having any issue at all. Now, another way you can grow these subscribers, don't limit it only to comment section, is live stream. Whenever you see people doing live stream, where you see a lot of people pumping inside those live stream, those are means for you to be able to tell those people that, oh, I am connecting with this person in the comment section. Don't only limit it to only Vibe with Sonia's live stream. Even if you see your favorite content creators doing live stream, you also go to their live stream, and from live stream you get to interact with people. That's what I'm always telling people. Even if you're not seeing people in your live stream first, just they come. Before you know, people will start coming. Now, on your big content creators live stream, whenever they are going, like take for example, if I'm live streaming on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, you can come to my live stream comment section, interact with people there, get to know people, and what? Subscribe to those people's channel and be following them back to back. Before you know, they will also subscribe to your channel. If you check, 99% of my community have been able to grow on this live stream. A lot of people grew from my live stream section, because live stream, you know that everybody that is there, then they are live and direct. So because they are there live and direct, you will be able to rapport, collaborate with each other, and at the end of the day, achieve that desired result that you want to achieve. Because imagine I see Tales by Uwa, for example. I say, oh, Tales by Uwa, I like your channel, I've watched your channel, oh, I love what you're doing, you're really doing a great job, keep it up. Check out my channel as well. You understand? Check out my channel as well. I'm into lifestyle and this, and there is no way Tales by Uwa that also want to grow as a new content creator will not go to your channel and go and check out your channel. You understand? But when you come to live stream, you don't drop comments, you just stay dormant on live stream. Nobody even knows you on the live stream. You just say, okay, my own is just to watch. At the end of the day, you will watch. Maybe even the basic ideas, them or the things you are learning from the live stream, it's not even going to be profitable for you like when you start connecting. And before you know, you cannot use this three method, bang, 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 and not get the 1,000 subscribers. If you're still thinking that 1,000 subscribers is hard in this 2025, you are thinking the wrong way. And today is Monday morning. Call to action, pick up your phone, pick up your camera, start filming. If you are filmed before, start editing and start uploading videos. And if you're still finding it difficult with your YouTube channel, you don't even know what to do, how to do it, you're still confused. Are you sure this channel is for me? Are you sure YouTube is not for me? This is why Vibe Sonia help you come into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add so that your channel can be successful. All you need to do is check the description. There's a mail there, 3195 at gmail.com. Come and let's coach and review your channel so that you can be on the right track. Some persons personally tell me, Madam, just check my settings alone. I just want to be sure that everything is okay so that I don't keep doing errors. And we check and we correct one or two things. Or if there's no error, we tell you that, okay, we've checked, there's no error and the rest of that. You get what I'm trying to say? So that is another thing that you should do for yourself. Remember, there is no money you spend on YouTube that is definitely a waste. It is not a waste. You are going to be gaining it. You understand? If you have not even built channel at all, that is where we also help you build your channel from scratch so that you can also be able to stand as a successful YouTuber. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.